Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Scrap Melt channel. We're gonna do a little scrapping. It's Monday. Just got my tooth done. Got the root canal done. They drained the infection. Over the weekend, I was put on 2 types of antibiotics and a steroid because it got so bad. So they did the root canal today, and I'm on to scrapping this afternoon. This is just a piece for my wet saw. I'm not getting rid of this. I just want to show you the importance of not throwing stuff out. I had this Allen key sitting in my bag of stuff from God knows where. It just happened to be the right size. I gotta change the rollers out. That way I can use my wet saw again. I haven't been able to use this thing in a while because of that. But anyway, I'm going to change these out real quick. Just wanted to say that about not throwing stuff away in this Allen key. And then we're going to get scrap in here. So I'll see you guys in a second. So I got the wheels changed out here on my saw table. So that's all done. That's why I don't throw things away. I'm going to keep all the rest of this stuff. Bolts and stuff. You throw things away, you're going to need it. And yes, I do have other tools. I could have went out to my truck and dug through my truck. But then I got to remember to put it back on my truck so I don't forget it when I go to work tomorrow. And if I forget it, I'm screwed because I forgot it. And I had to go to work. And it causes more problems than it's worth. So I just used my scrapping tools, and that's how I do things. So we're going to get scrap in here in a second, and we'll go from there. We're going to start getting the goods out of this thing. It's been drained already. I have a friend that drains them for me. Let's see if any of this shit's any good. I don't know if that's metal. Steel. Alright. Let's start with we know it's good here. We know this is good. We don't know what that is yet. Let's get rid of this handle because that we know is most likely stainless. Just double check everything. Yeah. Whole thing's stainless, so that's good. I'm guessing it's stainless. Throw that there for now. Yeah, it's definitely stainless. Stainless is all out there. So we're going to throw that over there for now. This crap looks like plastic, so it's plastic. I doubt anything else is anything good. So let's get rid of that so we don't lose it. Flip her around. Take all the screws out because, you know, it would make sense. Got a little switch there. You got some wire. Hey, still a little bit of pain here. But hey, it's better than what I was in. Just a temperature gauge. I'm gonna pop the switch off. There should be silver contact in the switch. Y'all foamed in or some crapola. I doubt we get much more wire than that out of the bag, so take that, throw that in our bucket. 4 bolts will take this compressor out. Ooh, get another panel in here. No! Really? All I want is your wire. There we go. I'm gonna throw the copper bearing stuff in this bucket for now, because quite frankly, I'm a little backed up here, so that can all go to be cleaned up. That's steel. It's probably steel after that. Shit's rusty already. Alright. Let's get a couple bolts here for that. And that thing will come off. And that's pretty much all the wire I see except for this little piece here. Which I don't know. Oh, that's just a drip tray. This is a wine cooler, by the way, so there's not much on it. Let me go grab some Sawzall. Alright, we're back with the Sawzall. I had somebody tell me I have no that many tools. I have a lot of tools. I'm just too lazy to go get them half the time. There's something else that'll do the job. I'll get that drained. Set it right here for a second. We get stuff to drain. All right, I got stuff to drain that. I'm gonna crack this thing open real quick, I think. I don't have a whole setup like Big Country Scrap or anything to drain these things. I just drain them. He's got a rack and everything. I don't get that many, so I don't have all that jazz. There's a lot of people with better setups than me. Nope. A bit of copper. I think it's copper. We're going to check in a second. And there you go. Here's your silver contacts. right up in there. So I'll bash that open later and put that with the silver contacts. This can get thrown in the microwave because all it is. Yep. Actually, that whole piece is brass. So that could probably go as dirty brass right there. Which is probably where it's going to end up because it's so tiny. Fly free, my friend. Alright, but anyway, I'll put that inside. We'll take care of that later. Stick that out the way for now. Got a little tiny guy here. I'm going to drill a few tiny holes in them. I don't use my good stuff on this stuff, so this old drill bit. And I'll flip it over and look like I'm drilling in the bottom. I don't know if I need to. This one's draining pretty good by itself. Whoa. And let that drain. This is done now, so we're... I don't know where the hell we're going to stick it. All right. Let's see what we got here. Damn. Not good. Oof. I got some in my eye. All right. Let's get the goods out of this beast. Start to feel my mouth again. Man, after being in pain for 2 weeks, it feels wonderful. All right. Let's get whacking. Whacking. Some kind of trash shoulder. I'm just unclipping these because it's easier to get them out than trying to do anything else. Just so you know what I'm doing. There's little clips underneath that just hold them in place. Instead of trying to cut it all out, just unclip them. Clip them. I'll have to take that off in a second. That's a motor. That's a motor. This one's probably copper. This one's most likely going to be aluminum, but you never know. Any way to pop this bottom off, man? No? Alright, let's at least grab what we can and what we want. We already know aluminum motor weight is more than steel, so I'm going to take that bad boy. And the only reason I kept this one is because it is a metal cased. Otherwise, I would not have kept it. I would took the motor and electrics out of it and just tossed it. All right, that's undone. I'll take that clip off there and bash that off there, maybe. Just like that. Electric motor. I can go in there for now. I hate taking these stupid things out. You got to go in from the other side. There's things. Let's see what we're working with. Sometimes I'm a lazy person, and if it ain't worth it, I leave them in there. I'm sorry. All right. All right, if we must. It actually is copper. Pop that bad boy out of there, right? Piece of aluminum. Had somewhere a bucket filled with aluminum. Toss it on the floor for now. Oh, look at that. I'm just gonna leave the rest of it on there because all there's a piece of aluminum there, and that's not even worth taking off. That's what I want. That thing's copper. Right in there. We'll clean that up later. All right. How are you? Noise filter. I don't know what a noise filter is, but I doubt there's anything good in there. Grenade! Let's see what we can get here. Get this wiring. This wiring's nice. That don't help nothing, does it? I feel two screws. Guessing I had that tooth infection for a while now. I haven't felt good in a while. All right. There's a little panel up here. All right, let's do it this way. I can't get this stuff out of there. So I can see. I mean, yes, there's some more wiring in here. Is it worth taking it out? I mean, I'd have to take this whole thing apart, basically, for probably 50 cents worth more of wire. I'm gonna say no. Oofa. Oh, you don't want to look at me. There we go. Like I said, there's like maybe 50 cents worth more of wire in there. I'm not gonna rip that apart. But we are getting a lot of stuff in here to cut apart all that wire and stuff. We'll clean up some of that more today. I have another dishwasher we have to do. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I got another dishwasher, and we drained that bad boy. We'll let that drain a little more. This is all copper bearing. Copper bearing. Dirty aluminum. Clean aluminum. All mixed together. Yeah, there's a piece of copper in there, but it's shoved in there and it ain't coming out. I ain't messing with it. So let's move this out of the way because it's full of oil. And yeah, that's our bucket. It's a pretty tall bucket. That's just so far. So here's the one motor we took off there today. That'll have copper over there. The rest of it going in the trash. There's the other motor. And get this thing popped out of the way. All right. What I like to do is take these microwaves, pop them open like that. That's aluminum. I take all this little crap. Board. Fit. No, I don't have to go on the big one. Emptied. Empty my still bucket right in there. I can now hold that. All right, let me go get that other dishwasher and I'll be right back. All right. We got this here Bosch. Very fancy, very expensive Bosch this time. I don't even know what the other one was. The handle. How hard is it to get the handle hard? I mean, it's a stainless tub, but there's so much other crap on it. I doubt they're giving you dirty stainless, so let's take the goods out of it that we normally do. No wires up here. Oops, I flipped it the wrong way like an idiot. Let's try that again. Okay, so like that. I like that. Can you get to anything? No, you can't. All right. Well, I don't see any screws in it. Since I don't see any screws in it, the only thing I see is these stupid ass tabs on the side. We're gonna start there. Smash. Smash. Smash that like button for me, since I'm smashing stuff. That actually did absolutely nothing for us. It's the first day I haven't felt like doing that to my tooth. I don't think I've ever had a tooth infection, but they are horrible. It's like my 5th or 6th one. Some kind of filter. Okay. All right, now we're into goods. Here's a motor. Here's part of a motor, and we get a little bit of wire. The rest of it gets shipped the way it is because I ain't messing with it. Snip it, snip it. Brushless motor, it looks like. Got a bunch of wires on it. Wire to each strand instead of a wire to each brush. There's some kind of goods there. I'm gonna try and get that box out of there. That looks like it just clipped on there. That one we're just gonna break. Control box is back here. Let's see if there's anything goods in there. A strand of wires that goes up front that we're never gonna get out because by the time we do, we'd spend freaking hours trying to take this stupid German piece of crap apart. It's worth giving her a peek inside. See, yeah, that's about as good as my day's going. What are you gonna do? No transformer. Throw it with the boards. Give me this little clip. Man, that thing's tiny as heck. We'll get to that in a second. I don't know what came through, so we're going to go over this again. This had part of the motor on it. We just slid it off. Right there. That little guy's a motor. We kept that. And then we kept this guy here because that's a motor. Other than that, we cut the wiring out of this bad boy. I don't know how much was obtained because the stupid camera mount moved again. So the only other thing I'm going to cut off of this is the power cord. And wait, it doesn't have a power cord. Never mind, I kept the power cord. Oh, there's a little motor on there. And there's some wire that goes through there. The weirdest design ever. But hey, they're German. So we're going to take that motor off of there. I'm going to smash that off. And we'll pull that wire out. And there's a little piece of brass there. I don't know if I'm going to get that out. Give me a sec. All right. So okay, so I'm not going to worry about that because that thing is coated in epoxy and it's not coming out of there. So we're just going to take this little bit of wire. For our wire bin. We're going to call it a day on that bad boy. This one didn't have a power cord. The people kept the power cord. I forgot about that. Usually Bosch has a power cord. Whew. Get that freaking thing out of the way. Ain't no different than any other washing machine, a dishwasher. So that's it for today. Thank you for viewing in, tuning in, watching. That's our bucket for now. We're gonna do a big copper cleanup later. I'm not doing it today. We got that bad boy to throw in there. We're gonna cut them two open. And we'll clean the motors on them sealed units. They're both drained now. And yeah, stay tuned for the next one. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Please keep watching. Hit that like and subscribe button.